So my phone ended up breaking. It was like this. It was glitching. I got a new one now and I upgraded. So hopefully that helps. Hey guys, it's your girl T and I'm back with another video as promised. And this is
Marcus.
Kalani.
And today we're going to be making slime. And don't come for our little ghetto table. The challenge is we gotta see who can make
the best, slimiest, squishiest, most fidgetiest.
Okay? And I know that's not a word, but so what? Okay. Y'all get the gist. So y'all ready?
Yeah.
So we got two different slime kits and we're going to be utilizing both of them because this one is kind of different from this one. So we just going to use both of them. So we're just going to hop into this video.
Yeah.
And if you're new here, then
Hit the like, subscribe, and hit the like, up.
subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss no videos, okay?
Okay. But we're about
So,
to watch our video because I
Do
don't
the chick close one. Right here. Don't lean on it. We don't want it to fall, you know. You have to make this. Okay, so this one has a lot of stuff.
Lots of stuff.
Yeah.
So we can play with it.
It got glitter.
Glitter, just some. We gotta
We
put
got-
it.
It's like cutting utensils and stuff.
We gotta put this up real quick.
Mix it.
No, it looks like it's to cut them.
We gotta cut them.
Yeah.
One decorate them.
We have like some what's it called? Mold. Some mold. Yes, it's from gold glitter.
I have to decorate
You need this.
Instructions to make slime.
Yes.
Just mix and mash.
Mommy, look at slime. That's
Yeah. Okay, so let's just take everything out.
paper and love. This is paper.
Now I'm a big kid, so
Don't
I like slime.
everybody say hi to my big brother. He just come out from my mom's stomach. So say hi.
We got a lot of colors. I don't know why we had straws, honestly.
Because they like to drink.
No, it came with straws.
They like to drink the. So we gonna put some glue in it.
So we gotta look at the directions, okay? We have 3 of them. Get that. Okay, so we need to mess with it. So we get off your phone.
I wasn't doing it.
You keep getting on your phone. He keeps getting on his phone.
I'm gonna pick this one and this one. These is my favorite colors.
I
Okay?
gotta catch the baby head.
This one,
Okay.
that one's mine.
Create a noise. Okay, so it's different. Everyone like different kinds. So I think I want the cloud one.
I'm this one. 3. So how we gonna make this? We gonna put some glue, then some.
That's too much for me. I'm gonna just use these pre-made slimes again.
Okay, you want to open this, mommy?
No, it's okay. You can open yours. I'm gonna open mine. I think I want blue. It's like a nice color blue. I like it. I like it.
Let me see on me. Oh, slime. But we can make
You got that? Oh, you hear the sound?
Yeah. It's already slime, but we can make it.
Yeah, but you gotta make it. No, we're not. We making who can make the best. So we could get this, and you still gotta add your own stuff to it to make it the best slime.
I'm making mine from scratch.
So I'm
Like
making
these,
mine
this.
beautiful. Making mine beautiful,
It's
guys.
like the. It's
It's not. And that's ugly. Look ugly.
Mine's not listening.
That is slime.
So I'm gonna add some of these.
I'm gonna add some this one because this one looks like glitter. It's pink.
It is
What
good.
about
What? Which one?
Alright, no, get out the refrigerator.
it? Did two.
Okay.
Oh, you need two.
Alright, you need 3. 1, 3,
Okay.
2.
Add some blue.
Oh, that's-
No, just two.
They say warm water.
Don't put it up there. Put it right there. Okay.
Some water.
I add some blue.
So,
Go shut the refrigerator.
oh my gosh. I forgot.
Make them wanna marry me.
I make mine from scratch. So I
Oh
can
my
see.
gosh.
You're not cheating. Watch yours be messed up.
Remember I said that, y'all.
Okay.
Oh my
I
gosh.
add some of these
Is
blue
that in the
balls.
camera? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What?
it's okay. She put a lot of gold. Licks.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, just do it over this because glitter is hard to clean up out the floor.
Okay,
Do it right there. No, you could do good. That's pretty actually.
oh my gosh, Mom, let me play with it.
Pick up the pink glitter.
Oh my gosh, yo, it's really cute. Oh my gosh, she's gonna fall in I need something.
Don't cry, okay?
I'm crying, okay?
You
Can
cry,
you make
baby.
this video? Right, Mommy?
Ooh, I got some blue glitter too. It's like blue and purple.
I'm not gonna put it line this time, right? This time I'm gonna put some pink. It's not a lot.
She just brought you a water bag.
You bring it out too?
I'm drinking one of those. We got big bowls too. I don't know if I want to use those yet. I think I want.
Mommy, you open it?
It's already open.
My slime is beautiful, guys. Don't play with me. Like my slime?
Okay, come back over here. Yeah, mine is gonna be giving
I'm a little bit first.
like it's like I don't even know. It's giving like
Open this. Open this, Mommy.
Like-
Why you didn't
I
open
don't
it?
even know.
Why you didn't open it?
The,
Why you didn't open these? These look
the
cute.
mermaid guy.
I'm gonna make
Let me see what's those.
mermaid stuff. Mermaid.
What's
Mermaid.
butterflies?
Yeah, I got the perfect food for.
Can you bring me one?
Give me one.
Bring me one. Man, you can bring me one of the boats. I don't want your water.
Oh, you need this.
No, give me a big one.
I get small one. No, a pretty y'all. Pretty y'all. Ta-da.
Thanks. We got a last boat. I want some blue butterflies.
I like these. I need this.
Mine is gonna be all about blue, okay?
Mine's gonna be pretty, pretty. Look, Mommy, mine's gonna be pretty.
I get a spoon.
It gave you a spoon. Hey, I got this too. These-
Open
these
it, open it,
is-
open it, open it.
Yeah, I am.
So,
Y'all, it's almost my birthday.
it's almost her birthday, but when it's after Christmas, it's gonna be my birthday.
It's already after Christmas.
Oh, it's your birthday?
Yeah. When your birthday? You know your birthday.
March 15th.
Okay.
So, guys, we're gonna make
This
some.
blue
I'm gonna take
and
some.
this blue
I'm gonna take this blue.
and this blue. I like this too.
Take this blue and this pink. You take 3?
I took I took three. But
Oh.
you can do how many you want.
Okay.
So I took these. Y'all can see it.
Not to see that one, but I'm about to do. I'm going to do this.
Not too much.
Okay.
Not you, girl. I'm talking to them. Not too much on me, okay?
Yeah, we
Girl, I'm not talking to you. You about to cry. You pull it off like this. Just push it off. Don't pull it. Pull it up, baby. We're gonna put some of these in there. These are blue hearts. These are blue stars. Don't mind my crybaby over here.
We got crybaby over here, blue.
Okay. I added some of this like. I added some of this kind of slime in here. It's like the foamish kind of slime. Huh?
I like to play with.
I didn't want to be hot.
Better look.
Ain't gonna mix it together.
Let's see.
Ooh, this started.
Don't rush me. Don't rush me, guys. If you rush me, I'm gonna end this video without. If you rush me. So, I'm gonna put some little bits in this. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be pretty long.
Oh my God.
Mine's gonna be pretty long.
I know.
Okay. We gonna add. Okay, yours look like throw up.
No, it's not. It's not the one. It's not.
Yeah, that looks slime.
I'm gonna love slime because this one's not cute.
No. Finish that one.
And then do another one.
You can add that. I'm adding this in too much.
Say it.
I'm adding that to
And
mine
let's go
too.
this.
You taking my time.
You sure that's the right amount?
Mom, I'm adding that to mine too.
Use another.
Y'all, it's like, oh my god, I like the color of this. It's like the glassy kind of blue.
Mommy, I put mine. I put that in mine too.
Yeah, this is definitely giving like
My turn.
murder. It's supposed to be legit.
This is a part of the day. Is it? I don't know.
You guys are gonna get slime. Guys, don't play with my slime.
There's no form and stuff.
It looks pretty, look at that. Yeah. Mommy, look, it looks pretty. Look,
You like it, son?
Mommy, like Baby Shark. Baby
Mine is
Shark.
giving Baby Shark.
Baby Shark. Now I'm about to make mine, okay? Now I'm about to make mine. Here,
Okay,
this
what
yours.
else?
This yours,
What
baby.
else should we add in my slime?
Mom, this is my baby brother. Don't touch my baby brother.
Okay, I don't know. That's your baby brother. Okay. What you say?
My baby brother.
Now, when I tell y'all, my dad is smart.
I don't have a smart mind, guys. So don't play with me.
She said she don't got a strong mouth, but this lady don't play with me.
My gosh. Look at it. You better not do this. Oh, you're not.
You told me that better not do it.
Please.
Hold on.
I'm gonna let y'all hear my smile.
Mommy,
Hold on,
mommy,
let me add my bowl.
that was him. You know that? Help me.
Put them on me.
Oh God, this one is cute for him. He's gonna love it. Definitely. When he get bigger, he's gonna love it. Love it. Pretty. Yeah.
See? Come on, man. You can get it in my water.
Come down. That was cute. I know how to
You just
squish, squish.
Y'all see my
look at that paper from off the counter.
It's pretty. My slime is so gorgeous.
11:49.
Babe, why you just bang yours?
She had glitter on it. She had, no, the paper, not paper towel. It was the paper one, the instructions one. Thank you.
Come on, you want to look at my slime again? So this is cute, but y'all don't like it. A little bit shy.
Show my slime. Look, my slime is beautiful. Like this, I actually like this. It's scratchy. Scratch check. Yes. Okay. Now let's do a spark check. Okay. So I'm about to show y'all the fart check. You don't know. You don't. That's how you know you don't play with slime. You don't do a fart check.
It's not.
Okay, let me show you. I have my hands too. Okay.
So mine's gonna look beautiful.
Y'all see this? Hold on. I put the baby down.
Don't cry, don't cry. He's a keep crying. He's a crybaby, y'all. He's a crybaby.
Y'all see this? Y'all hear it?
Let me see, add.
Mommy, I'm definitely gonna win. That's what.
Is this gonna come out right?
Fart check. Yes. Don't talk about my nails. I bite them.
Okay.
Hold up. Hold it. Yeah. Scratch.
But it's not giving slime. though.
Hold on, I didn't finish fixing it. I just started.
Okay, what else should I add?
Bye, guys.
I'm the only one that made it from scratch.
Y'all want to make this slime? Hit the like shop to our videos. If you don't,
It look like.
we gonna hit the like it down. If y'all don't, we gonna hit the like down.
If they don't like it, put a like down. No, if you don't like it, exit my video.
Yes. I'm sorry. Like my slime? Hurry up, Blue. That was my baby shark. Oh my gosh,
She is making a mess over here.
no.
Next time, I would double think before doing this challenge, okay? Because it's glitter all over the floor.
I feel like I'm doing it wrong.
No, you're not.
Maybe you are.
Maybe I am. I'm just up here thinking
No! My gosh! Grandma do that.
that. My slime still would be better shit.
It's not though. She just spilled a whole thing of glitter on the floor. Mommy, is there any juices in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Here, give me
no.
one. It's
I
on.
don't think so. Go check, go check.
See, please.
Okay.
Somebody gotta get a hat.
It definitely
The video cut out, so sorry.
She ain't no fish.
is. Baby shark. I'm
Y'all
making
see
baby
mine?
shark already.
I feel like mine is the best slime.
No, mine is the best slime.
I don't think mine is.
Mine is the prettiest.
Mine
What
is
he
ugly.
made. Go show them what you made, man.
We make sticky slime. And don't play with him.
Y'all see mine? It's the prettiest. Yes, try baby. What's wrong? Don't start it. What's wrong?
Why is it not?
Y'all, I breastfeed and like, so we just spoiled.
Why is this not solidifying?
Guys,
Go
look
show
like
the camera.
slime. I'm done with it. I'm done with it.
You mistake me before we get better. Let's go on the video.
You heard that? It makes noise, guys.
Hey, watch out. So you can do this.
Mom, I'm done with
It's the
mine.
process, y'all. I don't know if this slime, but we still
Mine's
stirring.
My scrunchie, and I can slip it and then scrunch it again, flip it and scrunch it again. So don't play with mine and make it noise. You heard it? Yeah. We're not playing with that.
It has the nice amount of like stuff inside of it, so you get that feeling when you play with it. Y'all know how to fidget. Y'all see that? It's pretty too. Pretty scratchy. It got the farting sound.
Yeah. Y'all make
Like
it up.
that's just the ultimate W for real. What? I win.
Y'all didn't win. I did.
Anybody that say I don't win, y'all just haters.
Yeah, haters, haters, haters.
don't go in there.
Yes, yeah, I'm just making some barbecue stickies for me.
Baby, you gonna need to wash your hands.
I'm making stickies for my balls.
Hurry up, baby.
It's sticky.
So we can ask the people who wins. Okay.
We win. I'm gonna be so excited. That one's not really. Look on, it can crunch better.
Babe, I'm pretty sure she used other ingredients though. This is a different kind of slime. That's how you get all hard ball. Because you doing it rogue.
Maybe I just need more water.
That's how you make
I follow the instructions and still doing it wrong.
Because you followed them wrong.
This slime is so squishy, but y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all, it's crunch down. Y'all don't play with me.
Hard. You added too much or something.
Squish it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is my slime. The name of my slime is Rainbow Mermaid Dream. Okay. And I already let y'all hear it. I did the express test. Okay.
Still great and sticky.
Your turn. What's the matter?
I'm about to do this.
You have to make your rainbow slime. This one can pop and stuff, but I better wash my hands. So I can.
It's the slime I've been trying to make since the beginning of the video.
No, it's not.
We're gonna call this slime Unlimited Void.
Okay, I like this fresh to it.
Yeah, better slime than y'all.
Okay, let's hear the fart. You
Yeah.
gotta show it in the camera.
Did I not?
Your noses are ashy.
Better slime.
Who do y'all think won?
Me.
Comment Team T, Team KK, or Team Juice. Okay?
Team me. Squish.
Okay, that's all for this video.
No, it's not.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment,
Subscribe.
and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be reminded anytime I post. And yeah, see y'all next time.